In a major development, the three Indian armed services are all set to place an acceptance of necessity for 30 Predator B drones before the upcoming meeting of the Defence Acquisition Council. The contract will be divided into two parts, under which 6 drones worth $600 million will be purchased under fast-track procurement from the US for the 3 services, and it will be delivered in the next 2 to 3 months, and could possibly be the units that are already being produced for the US Armed Forces or its ally countries. The remaining 24 drones will be purchased over the next 3 years under a follow-on option that will be included in the contract. This development comes after a recent series of meetings within the Defence Ministry, which also indicates the urgency of this acquisition. The Indian Navy has been made the lead service for this significant acquisition, as it can form a superior combination with the P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft and the MH-60 anti-submarine helicopters. The Indian Army has started engaging with the Indian private and public sector companies for a larger order of 350,000 carbines that has been reserved for the Indian industry. These carbines will be fully made in India and will also have an option for exports, but this process is likely to take at least 2 years before the local industry can offer viable options, as well as enough capacity to produce the carbines. Officials have said that given the current situation at the line of actual control, the Indian Army requires a limited number of carbines on an immediate basis, and using regular rifles is reducing the operational efficiency of frontline troops. They also said that procurement of 93,895 carbines through a fast-track procurement is an absolute immediate requirement, and this immediate necessity cannot be compromised. This comes after the decision of Ministry of Defence to scrap the plan to import a limited number of Car 816 carbines in favour of a Make in India plan. However, the High-Powered Defence Acquisition Council still has to give a formal consent to this decision. In a major boost for the Indian Army, the DRDO has successfully tested laser-guided anti-tank missile from the Arjun main battle tank, which successfully engaged a target at 3 kilometers. The laser-guided system is fully capable to defeat the armored vehicles that are protected by explosive reactive armor. The ATGM has been developed with multiple platform launch capability and is currently undergoing technical evaluation trials from the Arjun tank. The DRDO also conducted a successful flight test of 2 indigenous high-speed expendable aerial target vehicles yesterday, during which it flew at a speed of 0.5 Mach, at an altitude of 5 km for about 30 minutes, and the 2G turn capability of the vehicle was also successfully achieved, and it has proved its performance in a fully autonomous waypoint navigation mode. British small arms manufacturer Webley & Scott has announced that it has tied up with Indian firm Sile Manufacturers and will establish a manufacturing unit under the UP Defence Corridor, and the manufacturing unit will begin operations in November. A team of experts from England had visited India in 2019 to study and establish the facility, and the company had later obtained license to start the manufacturing unit. The navies of India and Australia have started a 2-day mega exercise in the Indian Ocean region from today that will involve a range of complex naval maneuvers by frontline destroyers, anti-aircraft drills and helicopter operations. The exercise is aimed at enhancing interoperability, improving understanding and imbibing best practices from each other. This exercise also comes after the recent signing of mutual logistics support agreement between the two countries.
Omar dropped it.